Now, for example, if you are holding in your account, like for example, this is my account, this home. Here at this home, you get to see pictures on what people post, people, your friends that you send friend requests to and they accepted. Get to see pictures on what they post. Then here there's a like button, like to like the picture. Then here is a comment button to comment about the picture. Easy, get to see. Then here you have friendly suggestions here. People you know, at times people you don't even know. Maybe people might have 1 or 2 friends you common, so they can just suggest them to you. If you want to send a friend request, you come here, click on add friend, then you send a friend request to them and you wait for them to reply. Then here is the message box to send private messaging. Then here notification box, when you have notification or anything, that's a notification box. Then there's a new feature like story. So people put stories that last for 24 hours. Then here, they ask them what's on your mind, like to just write and post. People, your friends, who are going to see and be able to like it, comment, or at times share. You can also post pictures, put profile pictures and the rest. I want to post a picture, come here on photo, choose a picture or a video, you post, write anything about it, then you upload it. People will be able to like it and comment.